Hello everybody, welcome to Strands Studio. This is a brand new format for us to present our breaking news products. Today, we're going to take you through Breaking News Quarter 2. It's a full-packed program where we go into the products on the deep. Today, Thomas, we're going to talk a lot about new products.
Yeah, the new Breaking News Quarter 2.
Yeah. Next up in the Breaking News Quarter 2, we have the Black Raven Pharos. This is a real workhorse. It's a warning light, a beacon, so we say. What is a beacon, Thomas?
A beacon, basically it's a rotating warning light, but in a little bit smaller package.
Yeah, you can say a beacon of hope if you like. But what it really is, on light commercial vehicles, digging machines, excavators, you have trucks, you need to have warning lights. Yeah. Why do you need to have warning lights on your truck?
It's to warn other people in the traffic, yeah. That you come with a wide load, you come with whatever you do, or slow ride, or whatever it is.
This can sound super clear for many of you guys, but we want to give some nice context about the product so you really follow and understand them. And for us, to make just a workhorse product to look good is one of our, let's say, key things we like to do. The Black Raven Pharos is a beacon that is corrosion-free. How come?
Corrosion-free is because it's made of plastic. So you have the plastic bottom of the part, and you have the lens is also plastic. So it's basically it cannot corrode.
Yeah. And what is the reason, Thomas, that we choose to go this way on this site? You can have metal, you can have plastic, and so on. But what is the reason that we go here?
It's because it's mounted on so many different metals, and metal to metal can sometimes go good, sometimes not. So stainless steel and aluminium is not the best of friends, so you can get corrosion quite quick. And it doesn't look nice, it doesn't keep the light safe. So, and people who use it, they actually need it, so it's mandatory to have.
For us, it's important to give you a good lamp that is actually fitting all type of purpose. Therefore, we have designed the Pharos. The Pharos has a CC for the hole fitting on 108 millimeter, which is fairly market standard and makes it suitable for the most vehicles. Also as a replacement product if you have had before and you're not happy with the solution you have.
Exactly.
And also, we want to make it with a nice dark lens, but you also have another gift for the crowd, huh?
Yeah, we have the gift. I actually don't have it here, but you can remove it and you can buy an amber one. Some people like amber, some people like dark.
So we believe in the freedom of choice and the freedom of being you. Our motto is feel the passion for every driver every day. So in the Black Raven Pharos, we want to give you the opportunity to do your style, either to go with the dark lens or with the amber lens, as Thomas has explained. And as you see, he take it off. But of course, it's still watertight, and we have a gasket in the bottom to make sure that it is tight. Thomas, also, this product is made to be easy to install. Only 2 cables, correct?
Yeah, so we only have the plus and minus.
Yeah. But how do I do to change my beam pattern?
How do you do that? We have it in here. Many times it's you choose one beam pattern and that's on forever. So we have you have the switch here.
Yeah. And this is TV, so it would be nice if we could see how it really works, Thomas.
Of course. Yeah.
So first we can start off with the super cool, a nice logo here. Do you need it? No. Is it cool? Yes. So you just click the button and you change in between the different patterns. And when you're happy, you just do this and you're ready to roll. So Black Raven Pharos is a super product. It's a workhorse. It fits all the type of vehicles. It has a low power consumption, so it's easy to install and doesn't require a lot of power. It has 2 lenses. You can change the pattern, easy to install, and it fits all vehicles that is classic 12 or 24 type of vehicles like cars, trucks, and digging machines, and so on. So go in on strandseurope.com to find out more about the Black Pharos and how you get your hands on your Pharos.